Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Nordstrom unboxing for you. So let's see what I got and open this box together. So there's no tissue or air cushions inside, just the bag itself wrapped in plastic and a dust bag. I hope they don't ship fragile items like this. So Nordstrom offers free returns both online and in store. Good to know. So now let's take the plastic off and see what's inside. And there's a dust bag. And the first thing I noticed is that there's a stain on the dust bag, probably just from it being stored in the warehouse. The dust bag is light cream color and it says ISABEL MARANT in black letters. So now you guys know this is ISABEL MARANT item. And here it is. It's this holographic iridescent material and it's an ISABEL MARANT handbag. So here it is. It's called a Neway bag in color silver, but to me it's more like a iridescent multicolor piece. Guys, please let me know down in the comments below what do you think about this color. And the price of this bag is $970, but I found it on sale and it was $582, so 40% off. Okay guys, so now let's take a closer look. This is an adjustable leather strap. It's very light cream color. There's a leather tab on the front with ISABEL MARANT logo, and it's that same light cream color as the shoulder strap, and the logo is in silver. There's one big pocket on the back, and it's in micro suede lining. The zipper pull is that same light cream leather. And then there's two pockets on the sides. These smaller zippers are a bit rough. I wonder if they're gonna loosen up with use. I'm not really sure what this material is, guys. The website describes it as lambskin leather, but to me, honestly, it doesn't feel like leather. It feels pretty thin, and it makes that crinkling noise. The top zipper is pretty nice and smooth. And on the inside there's a ISABEL MARANT logo on the leather tab that's attached to the main side pocket, and it says made in Tunisia. So this piece inside, like this little tab and the zipper, the opening of the pocket, that feels like leather, just like the zipper pulls and the shoulder strap. But the bag itself, the material feels almost too thin to be leather. So when we open the pocket, there's this booklet. So in this booklet we have the price tag. As you see, it's $970, but as I mentioned before, I got it on sale, so 40% off. I think that was a pretty great deal. And this is just the care instructions. Okay guys, so now let's see what fits. Let's open it. We'll start with the water bottle and a large notebook and a smaller notebook, my mini pochette, my makeup bag, then I have my sunglasses, and my Louis Vuitton zippy wallet, round coin purse that I use as a keychain, my AirPods, and my car keys. And a fortune cookie. My iPhone. And as you can see, everything fits. The bag feels pretty heavy right now, but we put a lot of stuff in it. I can even replace the water bottle with this larger glass Starbucks water bottle. Let's see. I need to remove some items. Pull out the water bottle and put this in. As you can see, it fits. Putting the wallet back. Oh, it's even heavier now, but everything fits pretty well. And now I'm gonna take everything out. The color is so pretty. I love this iridescent, shiny material. I love the play of color that it has. But it just feels kind of thin, thinner than what I had expected. So this is everything that fits inside the bag. As you can see, it's quite a lot. It's pretty roomy. And now I wanted to show you guys some mug shots of me wearing it. So what do you guys think? I'm kind of unsure about this bag. I love the idea of this bag, but the way it looks on me, there's just something about it that I'm not quite impressed with. And these are the pictures from the various websites that carry that bag. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like on the actual model and not just me. So I've been wanting something in this iridescent color for a while now, and originally I actually had my eye on another bag from Isabel Marant called the Wordy Tote bag. It's in that same material and same color, but unfortunately it was sold out both on Isabel Marant website and at other retailers. The Neway bag was also sold out at Isabel Marant, and the one that I purchased from Nordstrom was the last one in stock. So immediately after I placed the order, it showed up as being sold out. I am inserting the screenshot from Isabel Marant website with all the details, like the bag measurements and other important information. So the screenshot in the upper left corner was taken from another website, and it says foiled hologram lambskin leather with micro suede lining, and the strap is also leather. But when you see the main screenshot from Isabel Marant website, it actually says adjustable nylon strap. So when I saw that, I was kind of confused because the strap to me looks and feels like leather, but the main portion of the bag is what actually does not. And also at the bottom there, if you can see, it says 60% polyamide and 40% polyurethane. So what's leather, and why at the top of the description it says that the bag is in lambskin leather? So yeah, I was kind of confused. I actually found quite a few retailers carry it, and some of them listed it as genuine lambskin leather, but some of them listed it as a faux leather piece. So what's the truth here? And so I looked for a leather tab to say genuine leather. Usually if a piece is made in leather, somewhere it would say genuine leather. But also on the other hand, I know a lot of designer handbags do not have that stamp, because if we know and trust the brand, like let's say Hermes for example, they don't have to put that on there. We know it is high quality leather. So it's still a mystery to me what exactly this bag is made out of. The whole body of the bag, the holographic portion, it just feels really thin, and if it was leather I think it would feel a little bit thicker, but when I touch it, I don't know, it just doesn't feel like leather, it just feels super thin. So what do I like about this bag? I like the color, I like the general look of it, I like that it fits a lot, so I like the size. However, what I don't like about this bag is the fact that I don't know what it's made out of. Another thing I don't like is the actual feel of the material, whatever it is. Whether it's leather or not, it feels very plasticky, it feels super thin, and it makes that weird crinkling noise. It sounds like a bag of chips. So I'm not crazy about that. Even though I like the way this bag looks, I don't really love the way it looks on me, and it might have to do something with my height. I'm 5'3", and it just looks a bit overpowering on me. And also another thing I didn't think about, but now it kind of dawned on me that it might be a bit hard to style. So yeah, I'm really unsure about this bag and I need your advice. Please let me know down in the comments below whether you like this bag or not. Do you think I should keep it or return it? It was a great deal, but after seeing it in person, I just don't love it as much as in the pictures. And I don't like the way the material feels and the way it sounds. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and I will make sure to let you know what I decide to do with this bag in my future videos. I hope this video was somewhat useful to you guys, even if you don't like this bag, but maybe you were curious about it when you saw it. So if you did enjoy this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye bye!